How to get 30% Expedia coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Expedia coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, click on it. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Expedia. This is the legit website. Just scroll and check out the offers. You can see that 25% off, $30 off, 50% off, $30 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it, or else you will find this option of continue to this offer. All you have to do is click on this option to grab the offer. You will be directed to the official website of Expedia. Now you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flights, and then proceed to checkout. And while you check out, the offer will be automatically applied and you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, groupon.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. So this is how you can easily get 30% off Expedia coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.